Our top story tonight: the dire humanitarian crisis in the Gaza Strip following intense Israeli bombardment. The region, home to 2.3 million people, is grappling with severe shortages of medical care, water, and food. In the midst of the conflict, medical facilities are overwhelmed and lacking essential supplies. Hospitals in North Gaza are strained, treating around 2,000 patients with limited resources. Blood banks are down to a critical 2 weeks' supply, and painkillers have run out. With essential services like dialysis discontinued and some hospitals destroyed, the situation is dire. The water crisis compounds the misery, with damaged pipelines and a lack of fuel hindering water supply efforts. In eastern Khan Yunis, although Israel resumed the water supply, the impact has been minimal. Parts of southern Gaza received water for only 3 hours on Tuesday, reaching just 14% of the population. Water consumption has dropped to a concerning 3 liters per person per day, raising fears of dehydration and waterborne diseases. Residents are primarily relying on bread for sustenance, but wheat flour is expected to run out in less than a week. Local bakeries are unable to operate due to shortages of essential ingredients, and only one of 5 flour mills is functioning. People in Gaza are rationing the little food available, with reports of some individuals consuming just 1 meal a day. The World Food Program has distributed some fresh bread to shelters, but food capable of feeding 204,000 people is waiting at the Egypt-Gaza-Rafah border for passage. As the conflict in the Gaza Strip continues, the humanitarian crisis deepens, with the population facing an acute shortage of medical care, water, and food. International efforts are underway to provide assistance, but the urgent need for a ceasefire and sustained humanitarian aid remains paramount. We will continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as they unfold.